Before setting up the 16-foot configuration of the rolling roof rig, make sure to check all equipment. For this setup, you will need 2 end beams, a beam connecting tube with 2 lock pins, 2 rolling roof rig stands with casters, jacks, and telescoping masts, a longhorn, 2 shackles, counterweights, and wire rope to be used for the tieback and suspension ropes. In some cases, OSHA planks are also required to evenly distribute the load. Also, make sure to check the label on the beams that the equipment is rated for the work to be done. Pay special attention to the outreach and load rating of the setup. To begin rolling roof rig setup, assemble the beam using the beam connecting tube and 2 end beams. Make sure that the lock pins are securing the end beams in place and are properly locked. After the beam is assembled, raise the telescoping mast to the desired height and insert the retaining pin to hold it in place. The rolling roof rig enables you to raise the beam up over a 5-foot parapet wall. Loosen the bolts connecting the hat bracket to the mast and insert the assembled I-beam. Then repeat the process for the other side. Proceed to tighten the bolts and secure the beam in place. Next, shackle the suspension wire rope to the front of the beam. Leave the suspension cable coiled nearby and shackle the tieback at the rear of the beam. There is also an alternate method to shackle the tieback at the front of the beam and run the cable through the connecting beam and rear shackle. Remove the screws on either side of the rear hat bracket, set the longhorn on top, and replace the screws, securing the longhorn in place. Double check the outreach measurement, measuring from the front stanchion to the end of the beam, and then double check that 3 inches is left between the rear stanchion and the end of the beam. Roll the assembled roof rig to the desired location. Once in position, raise the jacks until the load is removed from the casters and the beam is level. If necessary, place the OSHA planks under the feet of the jacks to distribute the load across the roof. Secure the tieback wire rope to an anchorage point rated at least 4 times the hoist load rating and make sure it is taut. Refer to the sticker on the side of the beam and check the number of required counterweights for your setup. Place the counterweights onto the longhorn, keeping both sides evenly weighted, and then add the large washers and bolts to secure the counterweights. The rolling roof rig is now set up to support a swing stage. Thank you for watching this video. For more information or to contact SkyClimber Access Solutions, go to skyclimberaccess.com.